Accused gunman is from Morton, Illinois, near Peoria. Authorities there kept extensive records regarding his mental health, but did he fall through the cracks? Today, a judge revoked Travis Reinking's $2 million bond. He is under 72 hours of medical evaluation. Reinking is charged with killing 4 people at a Waffle House outside Nashville with guns he never should have had. His guns were seized here in Illinois last year, but returned to his father, who police say then gave the guns back to his son. And that is something state lawmakers are now trying to make sure never happens again. CBS 2's Lauren Victory has been looking at the issue of mental health and guns in our state for days and now explains the potential change.
A May 2016 incident report about Travis Reinking describes the Morton, Illinois man as delusional, suicidal, and in protective custody by police, who then told Reinking he did not have a choice and was going for an evaluation. According to Illinois law, the hospital would have been required to report Reinking's name to the Department of Human Services if he was admitted for mental health issues. Attorney Joe Monahan explains what typically happens next if weapons are involved.
The Department of Human Services then sends that back to the state police, and typically the state police will reject the firearm identification owner request.
Could police have revoked the suspected Waffle House gunman's FOID card back then instead of 15 months later after an incident outside the White House? Illinois State Police wouldn't comment on his FOID card status when we asked, and Department of Human Services declined to say if Reinking was ever in their database. Reporters asked law enforcement in Nashville if anything slipped through the cracks.
The criminal justice system, and often every case, has had some contact with individuals that we could have done something about it earlier.
Illinois State Senator Julie Morrison filed a measure today requiring FOID card holders sign an affidavit if weapons are transferred to them. Representative Catherine Willis's bill mandates that and more.
Law enforcement are the only ones that can hold on to the guns under my bill. Right now, when you lose your FOID card, you can automatically transfer to any other FOID card owner. This has it very strict. It cannot be somebody that's in the same household that you are at. The gun owner can petition the court to transfer to somebody else.
Now, technically, that amendment in Representative Willis's bill would only apply when there are orders of protection that trigger the confiscation of guns, but she did say she is open to expanding it, so it would have been applicable in the Waffle House shooter situation.
Okay, thank you, Lauren.